There are three questions on everybody's lips. Number one is how much will be the price per share of this Dangote Refinery when it finally gets listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Number two is why is there so much buzz around this Dangote Refinery IPO and why is there so much excitement in the market? Number three is how can you and I position ourselves to invest in this Dangote Refinery? So these are the three questions that everybody is asking in the stock market. And if you want answers to this question, do well to watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up, turn on your bell notification icon, and also subscribe to my channel if you are just coming across my videos for the first time. And by way of introduction, my name is Charles Ojefo, and on this channel, I teach people how to make, manage, and multiply money. Now, if you want to join my investment community, you can use the link in the description below. You can join my Telegram channel and you can also join my WhatsApp channel. Before we talk about how much the price per share of this Dangote Refinery will be when it gets listed on the stock exchange, let's quickly talk about why there is so much buzz in the stock market concerning this Dangote Refinery. I'm going to be giving you two reasons why there is so much excitement in the market about this Dangote Refinery. Now, quickly, let's talk about what IPO is. What is an IPO? An IPO talks about initial public offering. Now, initial public offering is IPO. It means this is the first time a company that is a private company will be listed on the Nigerian or on any stock exchange. Now, we have had so many energy companies on the Nigerian Stock Exchange list on the Nigerian Stock Exchange for the very first time. We talk about Seplat that listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 2014. Then we also have Aradel. Then we also have Corn Oil. We also have Total Energies. So these are different energy companies that have listed on the stock exchange in the past. Number one, big institutional investors are interested in this Dangote Refinery IPO. Now, Dangote Refinery IPO is a strategic infrastructure asset and it represents a huge investment in Nigerian energy sector. Now, we have seen in the past that the government have been finding it difficult to keep the refineries in the country running. Now, this is a private individual, Dangote, single-handedly building a refinery. So everybody in the stock market is interested when he said he wants to list this refinery in the Nigerian stock market. And he also wants to list it, in the South African stock market. So he's considering a dual listing. So fund managers, asset managers, and different, big players in the industry are quite interested in this very asset. Number two, there is already high demand for this Dangote Refinery IPO. Now, in June 2026, Dangote Refinery raised $2.5 billion in private placements. That means private individuals gathered $2.5 billion in a private placement, which was even oversubscribed by 3.7 times. So it means that if the private placement was oversubscribed, when the refinery finally gets to the market in October this year, it means that there is tendency that it will also be oversubscribed. So Dangote Refinery is aiming to raise $5 billion from this IPO, and which will give out 5 to 10% to investors, and it will raise the valuation of the company from between $40 billion to $50 billion. Now, quickly, what will be the price per share of this Dangote Refinery when it finally gets listed? Now, from the private placement, each share was sold to investors at 35 cents, which is about between 525 naira to 560 naira per share, depending on the exchange rates. Now, quickly, how can you invest in this Dangote Refinery IPO? You can open an account with a stock broker. Maybe you can open an account with Afri Investor 2.0, and you can also open a brokerage account with the NGX invest.ngx group. So this will give you opportunity to invest in the IPO. Now, quickly, if you found this video helpful, kindly hit the thumbs up. That's give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop videos like this, YouTube will bring it to your notification.